Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic words often confused and verbal analogy. See, the topic is verbal analogy and words often confused, right? The topic especially, it unlock the power of language, right? So, in this topic, we are going to discuss what are verbal analogies, common confusing words, and also tips for solving analogies, right? So, let's explore. Okay, so what is this words often confused? Because sometimes, words pronunciation is very very important, right? And moreover, the pronunciation is same, but the spelling is different. So, in that case, the total meaning is also different, right? See the words I have given here: accept. Sometimes it pronounced as accept, right? New. See, new, N-E-W. The other new is K-N-E-W. This meaning is completely different, right? And effect, right? Effect. A-F-F-E-C-T and also E-F-F-E-C-T. R. See, O-U-R. And here that is A-R-E. Look at this, right? Already. This is already. Here that already together, the spellings together. There it is two words, all ready, right? Right, R-I-G-H-T, right? The other one is W-R-I-T-E. And here desert, D-E-S-E-R-T. The other one is D-S-S-E-R-T, right? Here it is road, R-O-A-D, R-O-D-E, road. Here, H-E-A-R and also H-E-R-E, right? Then, see, T-H-E-A-N, then, T-H-E-N, then, right? See, what you have to do, you have to pronounce the spelling in a correct way, and also you should know where you have to use the word properly. Okay, so this is what it's called, words often confused and missed words. Okay, and the next one here, the empathize part is students or whosoever, they struggle to identify relationship between word pairs and also lack of vocabulary, right? And in this verbal analogy, the empathize part is like that, and here it is in the topic words often confused. It's students feel confused because similar looking or similar sounding words. This is what the empathy part. And comes to the define part, what you have to do, you have to critically logical thinking. Okay, critical thinking, and also you have to improve your logical thinking, right? To improve your logical thinking, what you have to do, you have to take all the examples from the real life experience, right? While watching movies, while reading articles, while reading storybooks, and when you are about to watch movies with subtitles, you start listening the words, you start noticing the words. Okay, where we are using accept, where we are using accept, where you are using r. Okay, where we are using road, this road. Okay, you have to master in your spelling, and also you should understand the meaning of the particular word. Okay, you have to develop your critical thinking and also the logical thinking. Okay, and for this words often confused, you have to understand the meaning in reference to the context. Okay, because you cannot come to know all words meaning in the dictionary, right? So what you have to do, you have to get the word reference to the context. Okay, this is the good method to improve your vocabulary skills. Okay, and how to approach. Okay, so approaching, you have to maintain a regular practice routine. That you have to do routine. See, practice, everyone is doing practice, but the thing is they'll just do it for 1 or 2 days, but it should not be like that. You have to do the practice every day until you become an expert. Okay, and use real life logic, not just grammar. Okay, because so soon you heard the word grammar, you will be like bored or like confusing. Okay, don't do that. You just put real life logic. Okay, and also you have to do the regular practice. Okay, here I've given some examples. What are the words? It gives you, I mean, commonly confused words like there, right? And where, we are, right? And two. Look at this, two, right? One is preposition, one is number two, the other two is like it means also very, right? Okay, so affect, effect, right? And it's one is possessive, right? And the other one is the indicator of possession. The other one is it's a I mean controlling for it is. Okay, and I mean contraction for it is. Okay, you are, than, right? Please you make yourself very clear, and also know the words difference and also the meaning, right? And here the word analogy, you have to know the reason for the word analogy. Here I've given see two pairs of words. It gives you the real meaning of the I mean real understanding of the pair of the word. What you have to do, whether you should know it is whether the two pairs of words is synonyms or antonyms or cause and effect, or it's some production or okay, just listen. It's milk is to curd. Okay, and what it comes, water versus what, right? Tea, leaves, coffee, what? Logical thinking, you put your logical thinking. Leaves, I mean tea powder is prepared from leaves. So here coffee prepared from seeds, right? So nose, smell, tongue, so think logically. Nose is for smell and tongue is for taste, right? Okay, the next example, cheese, milk, sugar, what? Okay, so you have to think logically, you have to use a critical skills, critical thinking, and you have to use logical thinking, and you have to use more practical life. Okay, so you can learn all the words very easily, right? And here I have given some curiosity challenge. What you have to do, you should understand the relationship between the two pairs of words before choosing the correct answer. Okay, and here I have given some verbal analogy questions. Okay, and you should mention the type of relationship. For example, here I have given bird nest, dog kennel, bird where it lives in nest. Yeah, dog, it's in kennel, right? It's a living place. Name of the what, it's a house is called, right? What is nest? The other one is kennel, living place. So like this way you have to find the relationship. Okay, type of relationship for each pair. Okay, and here I've given some references. You please go through this reference and complete your words often confused and also verbal analogy. Okay, thank you guys.